yabona besikhuluma ngopastor Enigma akuyanyana yabona abantu abaningi bathi eplus ngiyasaza yabona isitulo lesifaka usitulo sikhulu ayisashisa lesitulo lesikenyiwe
ilapho kushoka
yabona I don't care ukuthi ubani uthini South Africa. I mean I totally agree. Yeah, no, Pastor Enigma, you understand? Anginandaba ukuthi uthina na mina the way yabona narrative yakhe you understand the way appreciate ngakhona izwi kaNkulunkulu. Mina ngiyam understand no abanye bacabanga ukuthi uyahlanganya abacabanga ukuthi njani mina ngiyam understand mina yabona. You understand ukuthi masingama artists kanje yabona. Abanye bayathakatha yabona. Abanye ba sacrifice abanye benzana yabona to gain power nani yabona official don't condemn yabona umuntu usuka yazi denza because umuntu uthakatha uyakwazi ukubona mazoba grand life in and then bese distract kunabantu abanelelo talent le loku distractor yabona loku distract until uze uluze interest into kuma dreams wakho nezinye izinto ukuthi uzozenza bakudistract bakudelay. And the only person ozohlala nawo futhi uNkulunkulu uzibona uNkulunkulu simpitray kangaka almost every day mara uyasixolela.
Bobo, I want you to answer me very now big up. Yabona manje big up. Yes bra bra you know ungapsa change. Efonini ngiyakuthola manje. Yes bra now you are a human man.
Yabona please asisande la kahle. Akana please.
No but bra